Good morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Raisa Ruiz.
And I'm Alana Gomez.
Mae Carol Jemison is an American engineer, physician, and former NASA astronaut. She became the first black woman to travel into space when she served as a mission specialist aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour.
Never limit yourself because others' limited imagination. Never limit others because of your own unlimited imagination. Mae Jemison.
Did you miss the story about the boy who was tardy? Don't end up like him. Watch and learn from his story.
Today I'm going to tell you a story of something that happens often, something that is important to be aware of. This is about a boy who was tardy. It all begins like a regular day, bumping into people, running to get there on time. He would rush to the gate, hoping someone would help him out. There always was, but even after knowing he should have been on time, he never was. Barging into class, causing a commotion, he could feel the stares of others, watching him think of excuses. Always late, one said, as awkwardness crept in. Why is he late? Said another, as anxiety stifled him. Wait, is he in this class? Said that one kid. The teacher wondered why he was late. It wasn't the first time. You missed the announcement, he claimed. The boy, hoping his actions would be forgotten, jumbled up excuses, which only made things worse. So the teacher, disappointed, sent him to the discipline room, hoping that he would realize the severity of his actions. On his walk there, the boy claimed he didn't care, that it wasn't as important, but little did he know tardiness would count as truancies. In the room, the staff member waited, having received a call to inform him of the situation. This has happened before, and the consequences will be worse. Take a seat and be conscious of a solution. Thank you for watching. Remember, don't be late.
This week, counselors will be available during HST to answer your questions about classes, credits, or other school concerns. Sign up to attend your counselor on Plus Time under Counseling.
As a way to promote the Saturday Academy and to encourage students to regularly check their email, we held a raffle for all students who completed a survey. Jacqueline was one of the 19 students who completed the survey and won the raffle prize of $25.
Don't miss closing weekend for the Addams family. Shows are this Thursday, 3:31, Friday, April 1st, and Saturday, April 2nd. All shows are at 7 p.m. You can get your tickets online at GoFan or at the Student Payment Center. Please help us pack the house this weekend.
I tend to not have a sunny disposition about things, but this announcement has me somewhat happy. I promise I'm cracking a smile under this mask. Live theater returns to San Benito High School with the production of The Addams Family. The show runs March 25th, 26th, 31st, and April 1st and 2nd at 7 p.m. Tickets are on sale now at the Student Payment Center and online at gofan.co.
Attention! Make this the year that you increase your involvement at our high school. ASB appointed applications are due this Wednesday. They are available in room 341 or in the student activities office. Pick one up today.
The More Dance is this Saturday at Baler Park. Girls, this is your chance to ask the guys or go as a group of friends. This is casual. Dance where you dress like your date or your friends. Tickets are $8 with ASB, $9 without, and $15 for couples. There's a 500-person limit, so be sure to get your tickets before they sell out. There's a link to GoFan on school website that will take you to the website to buy your tickets.
Looks like that's about it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and remember, go Balers!